Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in. I'm back, guys, with another job lead. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. Hey, Intuit is hiring, guys. QuickBooks, TurboTax, Credit Karma is all the same. As you can see, the names up here: Intuit, TurboTax, Credit Karma, Mint, QuickBooks, MailChimp. You can click on all of these links, guys. But I clicked on careers at Intuit and I looked up the jobs, and these are all the jobs that are listed. I just typed in help, search jobs for help. If you're looking for any other job, you can just see all the jobs listed in the area or what you're looking for and what pops up. So since this is the very first job for digital sales consultant inbound remote, I'm going to talk about this particular role. It's a remote position, guys. It's digital sales consultant inbound. Intuit is a global technology platform that helps consumers and small businesses overcome their most important financial challenges. Serving more than 100 million customers worldwide with TurboTax, Credit Karma, QuickBooks, and MailChimp, we believe that everyone should have the opportunity to prosper. We never stop working to find new, innovative ways to make that possible. So, guys, with this video here, it just talks about how Jasmine does Intuit value a customer's obsession show up in the work you get to do. And then Jasmine voices her thoughts about that. And you can click on that and listen to that. But I'm going to put the link to this job in the description of this video. So the overview of this job is we support our customers by providing a consultative sales experience around how to protect, manage, and grow their small business in a new digital area or new digital era. You will spend a majority of your time engaging with small businesses, discussing their current operations, learning about their aspirations, and discovering opportunities to streamline their current workflows to help them solve with Intuit's SaaS cloud offerings, including financial management, payroll, and payment systems. So the inside sales roles, it's channeling different organizations, focus building customer confidence by providing small business expertise in every interaction. Our digital sales consultants are expected to understand how small businesses work, know the Intuit ecosystem of products, and tailor solutions to specific customer needs uncovered in the sales conversation. You're an enthusiastic self-starter who is genuinely interested in people, and you have a knack for getting others engaged in conversation and helping them succeed. Identifies and considers innovative approaches to situations and problems, ability to flex from one priority to another, multitask, make smart decisions about how to invest in your time. You are an avid learner who is inquisitive, love big challenges, and are able to take on change with high emotional intelligence. Demonstrates both empathy and assertiveness when communicating a need or defending a position. Actively work at developing proficiency in selling skills and tools, leveraging a variety of methodologies. You breathe confidence and you can exhibit expertise in business. You might have owned a small business, worked at a startup, or in business sales at some point in your career. Proactively probes on customers' objectives to determine needs and opportunities. And the qualifications for this job is 1+ years in sales experience or 2+ years of sales experience. Typing proficiencies, pipeline management experience in organizing future activities to move prospects through the sales cycle, POS sales and payment, credit card sales experience and success, plus strong computer skills demonstrating effective resource navigation and tool utilization, proven track record of experience meeting or exceeding quota in a highly consultative pipeline-oriented sales environment, excellent written and verbal communication skills and professional manner, possess negotiation skills to profitably direct and manage the customer's relationship. Your responsibility is to be available to consult with small business prospects, contacting QuickBooks, creating an engaging and delightful experience resulting in a new customer acquisition or ecosystem attach. Gain a thorough understanding of customer small business operation needs, challenges, and goals. Champion the Intuit brand and being real smart, honest, committed, and spirited. Recommend the right solution based on the need across the QB ecosystem, and reinforce the value proposition and consistently meet defined key productivity and sales metrics. Intuitive provides a competitive compensation package with a strong pay for performance rewards approach. The expected base pay rate for this position: New York is $28 to $38. Colorado is $27 to $37. California is $26 to $39. And Washington is $28 to $38. The position will be eligible for cash bonus, equity rewards, and benefits according with or applicable plans and programs. Guys, you will come here to the link that I will post in the this YouTube description, and you will be able to click on careers here at Intuit. I'm super excited for whoever gets this role. Congratulations in advance. Sending lots of love, hugs, and good vibes your way. Good luck to you. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. Hope you are making it an amazing day for someone else as well. You are amazing. I love you lots, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Bye for now, friends.